Alto Ventures Ltd is a TSX listed junior Canadian gold explorer with a focus on making a major discovery of a gold deposit here in Canada. We have projects in Manitoba, Ontario, and Quebec, all 100% owned by the company. The company was started in 2004 by myself, Rick Mazur, CEO, and Mike Koziel, the president. We have a portfolio of gold properties from Ontario to Quebec to Manitoba. The business model that we have developed is to advance our projects through some good exploration on the ground, get at least one initial stage of drilling into it, maybe two, and then seek joint venture partners. We have been very successful at doing that in the past. We had an interest in the Windfall deposit when it was a grassroots kind of venture, and we retained a 0.5% royalty on that deposit, which we sold in 2014 for $1 million. Our Coldstream project, which we did a little bit of work on, was joint ventured out. A company that ended up with that project after we sold to them for several $1 million in exploration work and stock, ended up selling it to West Dome Mines Limited, that has consolidated the Coldstream area with the Moss Lake gold mine, and we have a significant royalty on those properties. Our key property in Alto at the moment is our Oxford Lake project in Manitoba. We have 30 kilometers of strike length of banded iron formation. The deposit that was discovered there by Noranda in 1990 has 150,000 ounces of gold in it. We did a lot of work with airborne geophysics and getting around and taking a look at a lot of the geology over the years, and recognize that it has potential to certainly grow and be a sizable deposit. Noranda, in addition, drilled another zone called the Blue Jay Zone, 2 kilometers to the east of the Rusty deposit, where the 150,000 ounces was delineated, and discovered multiple zones of iron formation, hosted gold, with grades running up to 20 grams per ton and widths up to 6 meters. So one of the things that not many people realize is that the Oxford Lake, Knee Lake Greenstone Belt is the second largest greenstone belt in the Canadian Shield, behind the Abitibi Greenstone Belt. There's a number of gold showings in the Oxford Knee Lake Gold Belt that have been explored over the years, but it's tremendously underexplored. The Algodia Project is in Quebec. It is located immediately, and I mean immediately, adjacent to the Windfall gold deposit held by Osisko. Recent drill results from Osisko on the new Lynx corridor has us very excited about the potential of our Algodia property. There's a lot of gold in that system there. It's a brand new corridor of gold that has been discovered by Osisko, and it's located about 1 kilometer away from our property boundary. And that magnetic corridor, low corridor that they're testing does go on to the Algodia property. So we're pretty excited about the potential. The Destiny Gold project is located in the Val d'Or region of Quebec. We spent a lot of drilling on Destiny from about 2005 through about 2011. And we've delineated some 600,000 ounces of gold grading at a little more than a gram per ton in an open pit resource. That is on one small section of a 3-kilometer trend of gold mineralization. That resource is on what we call the DAC Deposit. What we're doing right now is just reevaluating the 43101 resource as an underground mining model just to see what kind of grades of gold and tonnages of potential mining we could come up with from an underground resource model. That is currently underway, and we hope to get the results of that shortly. The Alto management team consists of myself, Rick Mazur, the CEO, Mike Koziel, our president and man on the ground. We have a good board of directors in Gary Zach, one of the founding members way back in the 90s. David Cowan, corporate legal counsel on our board, giving advice in that capacity. My background in gold exploration, I guess I really cut my teeth in gold, working as the business development analyst and financial analyst for Canamax Resources Inc. in the 80s. Mike Koziel, our president, he's the guy that is on the ground making all the decisions, is a gold exploration geologist. He's got over 30 years experience in gold exploration. The investment opportunity in Alto Ventures is, number one, I think we're at the cusp of a rising gold market. Number two, we have some projects that I think have tremendous potential to form major mineral deposits. Our Oxford Lake deposit, discovered by Noranda in 1990, they were just scratching the surface, 150,000 ounces of gold. Discovered more gold 2 kilometers away with high grades and really good widths. Really go hard at that project this summer, and then in the winter of 2018, drill that deposit off and see if we can't grow that 150,000 ounces towards 1 million ounces. The other project that I'm really excited about is our Algodia project right next to Windfall. The recent drilling success by Osisko on their Lynx corridor has upped the ante big time on our Algodia project, because that seems to trend right onto our property now. And we're excited about monitoring how that goes with the continued drilling by Osisko of the Lynx deposit that has been recently discovered.